Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Yusuf Muhammad and my nickname is Yusuf. NIM PG923034. This video was made to fulfill the mid-semester exam assignment for the translation course. I will mention verbs from A to F along with example sentence. Okay, let's start. Abandon. They had to abandon the old house because it was too dangerous to live in. Absorb. The fabric absorbed the dye perfectly, giving it a rich color. Accelerate. As the deadline approached, the team needed to accelerate their efforts. Accept. She chose to accept the invitation to the conference. Accomplish. He set out to accomplish his dream of starting a business. Accuse. The lawyer decided not to accuse anyone without concrete evidence. Achieve. She worked hard to achieve her goal of running a marathon. Acquire. He managed to acquire new skills through online course. Act. The teacher encouraged the students to act responsibly during the field trip. Adapt. He need to adapt to the new environment after moving to a different country. Add. Don't forget to add your name to the top of the document. Address. She plans to address the issue in the next team meeting. Adjust. After getting feedback, he decided to adjust his presentation. Administer. The nurse will administer the medication at regular intervals. Admire. Many students admire her commitment to helping others. Adapt. They decided to adopt a new approach to solving the problem. Adore. She absolutely adores the artwork in her living room. Advice. The doctor will advise you on how to manage your symptoms. Advocate. He continues to advocate for better working conditions. Affect. The new policy will affect how employees take leave. Aim. She aims to improve her skills through consistent practice. Align. The manager asks the team to align their goals with the company's vision. Allocate. The manager decided to allocate more resources to support the team's growth. Allow. Her schedule will allow her to attend the workshop next week. Alter. They had to alter their travel plans due to the storm. Amaze. The magician's performance never fails to amaze the audience. Analyze. The team will analyze the data to find trends. Anchor. The teacher used an example to anchor the lesson in real-life context. Answer. She was quick to answer all the questions during the interview. Anticipate. We anticipate that the project will be completed by the end of the month. Appear. She will appear on stage for her first performance tonight. Applaud. The audience began to applaud as soon as the show ended. Apply. He plans to apply for the internship next summer. Approve. The manager must approve any changes to the schedule. Argue. They often argue about the best way to approach a problem. Arrange. She will arrange the meeting for next week. Arrest. The police had to arrest the suspect after gathering evidence. Ascend. The hikers began to ascend the steep mountain trail. Assemble. The team will assemble in the conference room for the briefing. Assess. The teacher will assess the students' progress at the end of the semester. Assign. The manager decided to assign the task to a new employee. Assist. The nurse will assist the doctor during the surgery. Assume. Many people assume he is the leader due to his confidence. Attack. The army planned to attack at dawn. Attempt. She will attempt to break the record in the next race. Attend. She will attend the conference next week to present her research. Attract. The bright colors of the flowers attract bees and butterflies. Audit. The company will audit its financial records to ensure accuracy. Avoid. He tries to avoid traffic by leaving early in the morning. Await. They eagerly await the arrival of their new team member. Award. The organization decided to award her a scholarship for her achievements. Awaken. The loud noise outside was enough to awake everyone in the house. Positive verbs. Accomplish. They accomplished their mission to build a school in the community. Achieve. She achieved her career goals through hard work and dedication. Acquire. He was able to acquire new knowledge by attending the conference. Activate. She activated the system remotely to start the process. Admire. He admires her creative approach to problem solving. Adopt. They adopt a rescue dog from the animal shelter last weekend. Advance. The company plans to advance its sustainability efforts in the coming years. Advocate. He advocates for better healthcare access for all communities. Affirm. She affirmed her support for the new policy during the meeting. Aim. He aimed to finish the marathon in under 4 hours. Alleviate. The warm tea helped alleviate her sore throat. Amaze. The magician's tricks never fail to amaze the audience. Amplify. The microphone amplified the speaker's voice, raising the entire room. Appreciate. She appreciated the opportunity to work with such a talented team. Approve. The board approved the budget for the upcoming year. Arise. Unexpected challenges arose during the project, but they were quickly addressed. Ascend. The hot air balloon began to ascend slowly into the clear sky. Aspire. He aspires to be a leader in the tech industry one day. Assist. She was happy to assist her friend with the move to a new city. Attain. Through perseverance, she was able to attain her certification in project management. Attract. The bright color of the ad attract a lot of attention from passerby. B. Babble. The baby began to babble happily as she played with her toys. Bake. He decided to bake his friend's proposal during the meeting. Bake. She loves to bake fresh bread on the weekends. Balance. He tries to balance his work and personal life. Ban. The school decided to ban the use of cell phones during class. Bang. He heard someone bang on the door in the middle of the night. Bark. The dog will bark whenever someone approaches the house. Bath. She likes to bathe in the lake during the summer. Battle. The company had to battle through tough competition to succeed. Beam. She beamed with pride as her name was called. Beg. The child begged his parents for a new toy. Behave. Please behave yourself during the ceremony. Belief. I believe in her ability to succeed. Bend. He had to bend the metal to fit into place. Bet. I bet you cannot solve this puzzle faster than I can. Bite. Be careful, the fish might bite if you get too close. Blink. He had to blink a few times to clear his vision. Block. They used sandbags to block the flood waters. Blast. He couldn't help but blush when she looked his way. Boast. She loves to boast about her cooking skills. Boil. Make sure to boil the pasta for exactly 10 minutes. Bomb. The plans were ordered to bomb the enemy's supply base. Book. She plans to book a table at the new restaurant for dinner. Boost. His encouragement really boosts my confidence. Borrow. She asked to borrow a few dollars for coffee. Bounce. The kids love to bounce on the trampoline. Box. They box the gifts carefully before mailing them. Brace. He braced himself for the cold wind as he stepped outside. Brake. She had to brake sharply when a deer ran across the road. Branch. The organization plans to branch into new markets next year. Brand. The artist decided to brand her art with a unique signature. Break. Be careful not to break any rules during the competition. Breathe. He took a moment to breathe before giving his speech. Bribe. She tried to bribe the guard to let her in. Brush. Don't forget to brush your hair before the meeting. Bubble. The excitement in the room began to bubble up. Build. They plan to build a playground in the park. Bump. He accidentally bumped his elbow on the door. Burn. The candle burned down to the end of the wick. Burst. She felt like she might burst with excitement. Bus. We decided to bus to the concert to avoid parking issues. Buy. She wants to buy a new laptop for her studies. Buzz. The phone buzzed with notification all morning. Positive verbs. Believe. They believe in the power of teamwork. Boost. A healthy diet can boost your energy levels. Build. We hope to build a strong community here. Bless. Her kindness continues to bless those around her. Benefit. This new policy will benefit everyone involved. Brighten. A quick compliment can brighten someone's entire day. Brainstorm. Let's brainstorm ways to make the event more memorable. Bloom. With proper care, her garden will bloom beautifully this season. Beautify. Fresh paint will beautify the entire room. Brave. He decided to brave his fears and try something new. C. Calculate. He took a moment to calculate the risk before making a decision. Call. I will call the restaurant to make a reservation. Camp. We plan to camp by the lake this weekend. Cancel. They had to cancel the concert due to unforeseen circumstances. Capture. The hunter was able to capture the animal safely. Care. He truly cares about the environment and does his best to protect it. Carry. She asked her brother to carry her books to schools. Carve. She learned how to carve beautiful designs into wood. Catch. He managed to catch the last train of the night. Celebrate. They will celebrate the holiday with friends and family. Challenge. She challenged herself to finish the race in under an hour. Change. They plan to change the layout of their office next month. Chart. The scientists chart the stars in the night sky. Case. The kids chase each other around the playground. Check. Please check your email for the latest updates. Cheer. The crowd cheered loudly when the parade started. Choose. She decided to choose the red dress for the event. Circle. The hawk circled above, looking for prey. Clean. He cleaned his room before his friends arrived. Clear. They clear the snow off the driveway after the storm. Climb. She wants to climb the tallest tower in the city. Close. Don't forget to close the gate before you leave. Coach. He coached his sister in preparing for her big interview. Collect. He loves to collect vintage stamps for the different countries. Color. The children color the drawings with bright markers. Combine. He combined his savings to buy a new laptop. Comfort. The nurse tried to comfort the patient during the procedure. Comment. She commented the room with her powerful speech. Communicate. They communicate regularly through video calls. Compete. The two teams will compete for the championship title. Complain. She complained to the manager about the service. Complete. He completed his assignment just before the deadline. Compose. She composed an email to explain the situation. Compute. The software can compute results within seconds. Concentrate. He needs a quiet space to concentrate on his work. Conceptualize. She can easily conceptualize design for new products. Come. She asks her friend to come over for a movie night. Conclude. After reviewing all the evidence, the judge concludes the case. Conduct. He conducts an experiment to test the theory. Confess. She confessed her feelings to him after years of friendship. Connect. The bridge connects the two cities across the river. Consider. He will consider your proposal before making a final decision. Consist. Her daily routine consists of exercise, work, and relaxation. Construct. They plan to construct a playground in the neighborhood. Consult. He consulted with a doctor about his health concerns. Consume. She consumed a lot of books during her summer break. Contain. The package contains everything you need to assemble the shelf. Continue. They decided to continue their journey despite the rain. Contribute. Many people contribute their time to volunteer at the shelter. Control. She tried to control her excitement when she got to the job. Positive verbs. Celebrate. They gather to celebrate his promotion. Cheer. The student cheered as the speaker took the stage. Clean. He cleaned the garden to prepare for the party. Collaborate. The musicians collaborate to produce a new song. Comfort. She comforted her sister after a long, difficult day. Complete. They worked together to complete the project ahead of schedule. Congratulate. Everyone lined up to congratulate her on her new role. Connect. The app allows you to connect with people around the world. Consider. She took a moment to consider his kind offer. Create. Together, they create a welcoming space for everyone. D. Dance. They danced joyfully at the wedding reception. Dare. She dared her friend to try the spicy food challenge. Does. He does to catch the last bus of the day. Deal. She skillfully deals with the challenges of her new role. Debate. The student debate environmental issues in class. Debug. She stays late to debug the system before the launch. Decelerate. The train began to decelerate as it entered the station. Decide. He decided to take a different route to avoid traffic. Decorate. They decorate their home for the holiday season. Decrease. They work to decrease their energy consumption at home. Dedicate. He dedicates his weekend to mentoring young athletes. Defend. She defends her ideas confidently during the presentation. Delay. The project was delayed to ensure quality result. Delegate. The manager decided to delegate tasks to improve efficiency. Demand. The workers demand fair wage and better conditions. Demonstrate. She demonstrated her cooking skills at the event. Deny. He denied the rumor and clarified the situation. Depart. They depart from the train station at sunrise. Depend. His plans depend on the weather forecast. Deposit. He deposited a check into his savings account. Describe. He described his travel with excitement and detail. Design. She designed an innovative app for language learning. Desire. She desired to make a meaningful difference in her community. Destroy. The team worked to destroy outdated equipment safely. Detect. The system can detect any unusual activity. Determine. She determined to reach her fitness goals by the end of the year. Develop. He developed a new strategy to improve customer service. Devote. She devoted herself to training for the marathon. Diagnose. The veterinarian diagnosed the puppy with an allergy. Dial. He dialed his friend's number to invite him to the party. Dictate. She dictated her thoughts to a voice recorder while brainstorming. Dig. They dug a spot in the garden to plant flowers. Discuss. He took a moment to discuss the surprising news. Diminish. The noise in the room diminished as everyone settled down. Dine. They decided to dine outdoors to enjoy the fresh air. Disagree. She disagreed with the proposal but offered constructive feedback. Disappear. The fog began to disappear as the sun rose. Discover. He discovered a love for painting during his art class. Discuss. They discussed their ideas for the community event. Donate. He decided to donate his old clothes to a local shelter. Draft. He drafted an outline for his upcoming presentation. Drag. She had to drag the box up the stairs. Drain. He drained the pasta before adding the sauce. Draw. She drew a portrait of her family. Drive. She drove through the countryside to enjoy the scenery. Drop. He accidentally dropped his case while running. Dry. She dried the dishes with a towel after washing them. Positive verbs. Delight. The surprise party delighted her beyond expectation. Develop. He is working to develop a new mobile app. App. Discover. They discover an old letter hidden in the attic. Donate. She donates her time to teach underprivileged children. Dream. He dreams of traveling the world and experiencing different cultures. Drive. Her passion for helping others drives her to volunteer regularly. Dedicate. He dedicates his weekends to mentoring young professionals. Decorate. They decorate their garden with colorful flowers and lights. Dance. She danced gracefully across the stage during the performance. Design. The architect designed a sustainable and eco-friendly building. E. Earn. He worked hard to earn the respect of his peers. Eat. They plan to eat lunch together at their favorite cafe. Edit. She carefully edited her resume before applying for the job. Educate. They educate young athletes on the importance of healthy habits. Elaborate. He was happy to elaborate on his plan to the team. Elect. The club members will elect a new president this year. Eliminate. They managed to eliminate all errors from the reports. Embarrass. He was embarrassed when he realized he had made a mistake. Emphasize. The coach emphasized the importance of teamwork during practice. Employ. The organization aims to employ innovative solutions to solve challenges. Enable. This training will enable you to develop new skills. Encourage. Her mentor encouraged her to apply for the leadership position. And they decided to end the meeting early due to time constraint. Endorse. He was honored to endorse the campaign for environmental awareness. Energize. A morning jog can energize you for the day ahead. Enjoy. She enjoys reading a good book and rainy days. Enlarge. They hope to enlarge their product range next year. Enlist. She plans to enlist the help of her friends for the event. Enrich. Traveling can enrich your perspective on different cultures. Ensure. She double-checked to ensure everything was prepared for the meeting. Entertain. The comedian entertained the audience with hilarious stories. Entrance. The breathtaking view entranced everyone who reached the mountain peak. Envisage. They envisaged a plan that could reduce pollution significantly. Equip. The team was equipped with the latest technology for their research. Escape. She managed to escape the heavy traffic by taking a different route. Establish. He established a strong reputation through years of hard work. Estimate. She estimated the delivery time to be around 2 weeks. Evaluate. The manager will evaluate the project's success after its completion. Examine. She examined the proposal closely before making a decision. Excel. She excels at public speaking and often leads presentation. Exchange. They exchange ideas during the brainstorming session. Execute. The chef execute each recipe with precision and skill. Exhibit. The gallery will exhibit her artwork next month. Expand. They hope to expand their product line in the coming year. Expect. He expects to receive a response by the end of the day. Explain. The teacher took time to explain the instruction clearly. Explore. She plans to explore different career paths after graduation. Express. She expressed her gratitude through a heartfelt letter. Extend. They extend their stay to enjoy the city a bit longer. Extract. The scientists extract DNA sample for the study. He eyed the new smartphone with interest. Eavesdrop. She accidentally eavesdropped on their private conversation. Enroll. he decided to enroll in a cooking class to learn new recipes. Positive verbs: encourage. Her words of support encourage him to keep going despite challenges. Enjoy. He enjoys listening to music to relax after a long day. Embrace. She decided to embrace new opportunities with an open mind. Engage. The speaker engaged the audience with her captivating stories. Enlighten. The teacher enlightened the student about the importance of environmental conversation. Enliven. Her laughter enlivened the atmosphere at the gathering. Enrich. Reading classic literature can enrich your understanding of language. Entertain. The magician entertained the crowd with amazing tricks. Enthuse. His enthusiasm for the project enthused the whole team. Excite. The children were excited by the surprise visit to the zoo. Expand. They expand their services to reach more customers in rural areas. Expect. They expect to see improvement after implementing the new strategy. Experience. She experienced the thrill of skydiving for the first time. Explore. They decided to explore the local cuisine during their trip. Express. He expressed his appreciation for his friend's support throughout the years. F. Fail. Despite his efforts, he failed to reach the summit of the mountain. Fall. The vase fell off the shelf and shattered on the floor. Fasten. He fastened his coat tightly to keep warm in the cold wind. Feed. He loves to feed the birds in his backyard every morning. Fetch. She asked her brother to fetch her book from the other room. Fight. They had to fight against harsh weather conditions during the hike. File. The assistant filed all the new documents in the digital system. Fill. She filled the vase with fresh flowers from the garden. Find. She hopes to find a new job that suits her skills. Finish. She finished reading the book in just one day. Fix. The mechanic fixed the car engine quickly. Flee. The animal had to flee the forest due to the wildfire. Flex. She flexed her creative skills by painting a beautiful mural. Float. The leaves float gently down the stream. Float. The basement flowed after the water pipe burst. Flow. Ideas began to flow as they brainstormed together. Fly. The eagle flew high above the mountains, scanning for prey. Follow. The cat would follow him around the house everywhere he went. Form. The student decided to form a study group for the upcoming exam. Frame. He framed his diploma and placed it in his office. Fry. She fried some eggs for breakfast. Full. The coach encouragement fueled their motivation to win the game. Fulfill. She worked hard to fulfill her dream of becoming a doctor. Positive verbs. Foster. The mentor's guidance helped foster confidence in the young students. Facilitate. The manager organized weekly meetings to facilitate communication within the team. Fortify. Regular exercise can fortify both the body and mind. Flourish. With proper care, the garden will flourish and produce beautiful flowers. Fulfill. Completing her art project helped fulfill her creative goals. Fascinate. The diversity of marine life fascinates scientists around the world. Full. his passion for the project full his dedication to complete it. Fixed, she was fixed on improving her performance in the next competition. Forge, the company worked hard to forge strong relationship with its clients. Okay, that's all from me, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and comment or subscribe this channel. So the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.